What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. And for this unboxing video, we have vz102485. And this is one of our wide body CP style diffusers fitting 2015 to 2023 models. Now, as you guys can see here on the back, this is reinforced. And of course, you have your clips located along the top edge to snap into your bumper. And then at the bottom here, you'll see holes where you can use rivets to hold it in place or bolt it in for a secure mount. And then here on the back, we can see the V shape at the top going down in the middle, and then the aggressive fins along the sides. And then of course, your two exhaust ports on each side. Now that's pretty much it for this rear diffuser. If you want to see more videos like this one, make sure to check out our YouTube channel at vicrez.com. And make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified when we post more videos just like this one.